Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. Some showers and storms earlier today during the early to mid-afternoon hours blew through the area, and behind that, we're going to find a little break from the humidity as we get into tomorrow and the next day. Really, the next couple days are going to shape up pretty nicely. Here's what it looks like right now. Still a lot of cloud cover there on the south side of Terre Haute with our Graber Post building cam, but the rain's pretty much have ended. There's a few showers left over back in Illinois that will spin through the area, and we'll show you that here in a second. Speaking of spinning, we had the hurricane that made landfall in South Texas over the weekend. Gulf of Mexico got a lot of convection, but the one system that we're still watching is way out there nearing South America. You can see that. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Some of our models are forecasting that to develop and get closer to the U.S. several days down the road. A near miss for the Hawaiian Islands with Douglas. It actually passed just north of the islands, so didn't actually make landfall as a hurricane. But, of course, did bring some wind and some rough surf there. It is moving away from the Hawaiian Islands, so things will calm down out there in the Hawaiian Islands. How about us? We hit 90 today for the daytime high. That makes 20 times this year. We've already been at 90. Notice up there in the legend, we only had 25 times last year altogether. So we're within 5 of where we were last year, but we're not going to see any more for a while. Well, we might see one this week. That's really about it, but things are changing with the temperatures. 90 was our high today, but not even close to 104, sit back at 1936. 74, that's where we've dropped to now with the rain that moved through. Rainfall varied at the TV station, 1/10 of an inch. Sam Severs down in Vincennes had 0.11. Out here in northern Clay County, we had 0.48, and I heard a lot of people from reports of about 1/2 of an inch. So a little variance in the rainfall, but it blew through pretty quickly. Sunrise, sunset tomorrow on the river stage in Terre Haute, 5.2 feet. It's on the way down. Here's what we've got at the airport in Terre Haute now, 76. Humidity high, though, 94%. A lot of moisture around, and the winds are west now at about 10 miles per hour. Temperatures have cooled because of the rain that came through earlier today. By the way, heat index values were over 100 in places. The dew points are high, indicating that we've got some moisture in the air. So there's a little bit of a heat index, but again, not bad compared to where we were earlier in the afternoon. Water vapor satellite, look northwest of here. Dark shades indicate dry air. Orange shades indicate really dry air. And that dry air is pushing down this way, so that's good news for us. It'll push the cloud cover out. You can see the clouds moving into the area now. Heavier rains have all moved well east of the area, but we're left over with a few lingering showers here and there. The Dorset Automotive Doppler radar, no big storms near us, but some lingering showers back in Illinois. That's actually the leading edge of the cold front. So there'll be a few early showers. Those will diminish pretty quickly. I would say by 11, 12 o'clock tonight, any rain chances are over. The clouds will clear out by tomorrow. Sunshine, warm, but not real humid. That's the difference. It's going to be less humid tomorrow and more sunshine on Wednesday. So the next 2 days are great if you want to get outside and do some work. It's still going to be warm, but not excessively humid like it has been. Another rain chance will be developing by the time we hit Thursday right there. Should give us a little break on Friday, and then it looks like another system over the weekend bringing some rain chances. But with the rain chances, we're also going to see temperatures cooler next weekend compared to this last weekend. You can see that here on this map here. You see the green shades. That's the drier and cooler air moving in here later in the weekend and into early next week. So here's your forecast for tonight. A few lingering showers. They won't last long. Cooler, 66. For tomorrow, looks like a good day. Sunshine, less humid, a high of 87. We're back near 90, a little bit more humid on Wednesday. A few showers on Thursday. The weekend, some scattered showers, but temperatures not bad. Highs only in the upper 70s. That's a wrap on the forecast. Sports coming up right after the break.